Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. And girl, I got the Allure box finally. So before we get into this Allure box for the month, I want to say thank you for everyone who is supporting me, and especially those who are following my blog. If you have not gotten on the blog yet, you can find it here, and it is at www.whatsyourchic.org, and the boutique itself is a www.whatsyourchic.com. So go on the .org, which is the blog website, and you can see my photos from Fashion Week. I actually have an interview that I did with lookfine.com, but make sure you check it at whatsyourchic.org, and you can get the 411 on the fashion weeks that I've attended thus far. So, alright, so we are at the Allure beauty box part of this video, and you know how I feel about Allure and their beauty box, but I have not opened this one yet. I took the plastic off, and I'm just really curious. So this is the box, and let's open it together. So, okay, so here is the box's booklet that it comes with, and it has on the back L'Oreal Paris, and on the front it says it's an exclusive promo. And again, you know, from Elizabeth Senegal, which is a deputy beauty director for Allure. She actually writes these products almost like in she does it like in a blog style, or almost first person. So what we're going to do is go through this box and find out exactly what is going on. So the first thing that we see is in here. So this is the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. Now I'm going to tell you what they always get me on is their uses of pun. I love how these makeup and skin companies use puns to get your attention. It's priced at 6 pair for $25, and you can buy them at wonderbeauty.com. And it says to apply onto clean, dry under eyes. Repeat on the other side. Obviously you got two eyes, or you know, whatever. So it says leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and discard after the use. Pat the remaining serum into your skin, and it says for external use only. So on the back it shows that they are actually gold. So the next product we're going to look for is the it's called the Kenra Dry Oil Control Spray. So that would be this one. And it says that this hairspray does what it promises. It gives medium hold. So this product at its full size is priced at $19, and you can buy it actually on Ulta.com. And yeah. Okay, so what I first see, which I am wondering about, is why is the number 14 on this bottle? Like, what does that mean? Like, number 14 dry oil spray? Like, should I be trying to figure out what's 13 and 15? Maybe I should be trying to figure out what's number 12. The next product we have is the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Now when you say moisturizer and you say primer, so I'm automatically skeptical, because this is the thing. If you're supposed to be a moisturizer, I would assume that you are going to moisturize my skin. But if it's a primer, the three things that I expect from a primer, because this particular product says that it is a skin smoothing priming moisturizer. So if you say primer, I'm expecting you to blow my pores. I'm expecting you to smoothing out my skin. And then third, I'm expecting you to actually provide a legitimate foundational, you know, texture for my makeup to sit on. So to say you're a priming moisturizer is kind of like, am I supposed to skip the primer because I use this product? I'm not sure. But the original price for the product is $28, and you can get it at firstaidbeauty.com. And it says that this is the kind of primer that makes your skin look different right after the application. And it says that it has a peachy, oh, hold on, pump the brakes. This priming moisturizer supposedly has a peachy tint and a hint of shimmer to brighten up your skin instantly. I would probably use this with like the L'Oreal Lumi because it has a luminous finish, but I probably wouldn't use it with like Fenty because Fenty is like a soft matte and you kind of want to control where your shine is. So that's pretty interesting, but it's good to know, right? Well, the next product, this one is the, let's see, the Saint Topaz Instant Tan Finishing Gloss. One night only finishing gloss. It has an instant shine effect is what it says. So now this is interesting. Okay, first off, let me tell you that it is priced at $25 on Ulta.com, but let me make you laugh because I'm like, what is this? Okay, so I'm laughing a little bit because it says directions: apply onto clean, dry skin. And it says to remove, simply wash off with soap and water. So first off, for me, I think I'm good on tan, but okay, I get it. Maybe like a questionnaire that you would know what products or probably what boxes would be good for one person as opposed to another. I think I'm good for it on a tan, and I don't see the use in this product at all. I mean, like, I really can't tell you what I would use it for, but to look at it or give it to one of my friends. And what they also do, and I'm going to look in here before I speak, which Ulta is known, I mean not Ulta, Allure has been known to do this. Allure has done this before, but in the little booklet, they also reference the Saint Tropez Self-Tanning Purity Bronzing Water Mousse. Okay, so this is not the water mousse, this is the gloss, and I'm trying to figure out why, as I look in here, that the mousse is actually referenced because it's not in the body. So again, Allure, why are we talking about a product that's not even here? I don't understand that. So yeah, strange. Alright, so they also say that this particular mousse is a self-tanner that looks like water. It prices at $42 and you can get it at Ulta as well. And that just kind of bothers me a little bit. Like, why are we talking about something that's not here? Like, that's like talking about somebody behind their back and they're not there to defend themselves. Like, why would you do that? Like, stop, girl. Stop. So the next one that we have is the CLE. I've never heard of this before, but this is their melting lip powder in Desert Rose. And they say I've never heard of a lip powder. So what I am curious to know of, they said it is a melting lip powder. It is a long-lasting matte lip and cheek tint. And it's a powder that you spread over your lips. And then magically it smooths into a lip tint. It delivers color that's more pigmented and buildable than a stain, but just as natural looking. Okay, so let me just open it up. I'm just really kind of like, what? So there's a dofa and it's powder. I I don't get it. I don't get it. I'll try and swatch it. It's just really strange. So we're going to swatch it right quick. So this is powdery. And look at that. Very interesting. So let me give you, okay, so as soon as it touched, it was really cool to the touch, but I could feel it automatically melting, okay? And even as I talk, it's drying into a matte finish, but they're right, it is tinted, and the color does stay true. It doesn't have an odd smell or anything. The color is very nice, but I think the consistency is really weird to me. It's something I've never seen before. So the next product, oh, look at this. So when you get the Wonder Beauty, remember we talked about them before? They actually have 2 in here. That's pretty cool. So the next product that is in here, let's see, what is this? It comes in a little bag, because this is the last thing that's in the box. It says Beauty Loot. So let's open it up. And it is L'Oreal's L-Net Satin Extra Strong Hold. Disappears at a stroke of a brush. Humidity resistant hairspray. So that is actually what is advertised on the back of the booklet. And let's see, although it is referenced on the back of the booklet, inside of the booklet, it does not say how much it retails for or where you can get it, which I am sure you can get it on L'Oreal.com. Guys, so that is all that is in the Allure box. And I will say to you that this is probably it for me. I'm not going to get another Allure box. I'm going to unsubscribe because of products like this. Self-tanning, I don't need a tan. And I'm not like bashing Allure for this, but I think that if they would have took some time out to actually do like a small little questionnaire, you would know who would be a better fit for what product. And another thing that makes me not want to get it is that we reference the tan and the mousse, but we're talking about products that are not in the box. Why? And the products that are in the box that are considered lewd, we have very little information about them. So I think the only thing that I'm really going to go away with are these, which I think is pretty cool. Anything that's for skin or makeup, you know, I'm here for the makeup. But, you know, I really love skin products also. But this one was mainly kind of like a shot in the dark. I hate to say it like that, and I'm not really throwing any shade whatsoever, but I feel like this box was really a shot in the dark. And I think they missed with me. Like, I feel like really bad. Like, I'm sorry. It's just not, nah, I'm good. I'm good, you know. Alright, you guys, so do not forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button at the bottom. Tell your friends. Send it to them, girl. Share it on your Facebook, your Instagram, Snapchat. I'll leave all the links of all my social media at the bottom, and I will see you on the next video.